Looking to enhance your DIY game without breaking the bank? Say goodbye to bulky and expensive power tools, and hello to the versatile and compact world of rotary tools. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these little powerhouses can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. From precise carving to grinding, cutting, and polishing, they're like a Swiss Army knife for your workshop. So ditch the clunky equipment and get ready to tackle your projects with precision and finesse. Get ready to unleash your creativity with the best rotary tools on the market. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and a handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. WN2305. If you're on a tight budget but still want a reliable rotary tool, the WN2305 Rotary Tool Kit should be at the top of your list. This kit offers incredible value for money with a price tag that won't break the bank. The variable speed of 8,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute allows for versatile use, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. One of the standout features of this kit is the inclusion of 80 individual pieces, such as polishing pads, sanding discs, and drill bits. The included accessories make it a great option for DIYers and crafters who need a variety of tools at their disposal. Changing bits is a breeze thanks to the onboard spindle lock, allowing you to switch between tasks quickly and easily. The flex shaft is a game changer, allowing for more precise work with the rotary tool. This feature sets the WN2305 apart from other budget-friendly options on the market. Despite its low price, this kit doesn't compromise on durability or performance, making it a standout choice for those on a budget. The only downside to this kit is that it's corded, which may limit your range of movement compared to cordless options. However, this is a minor inconvenience considering the versatility and value that the WN2305 offers. Overall, if you're in the market for a budget-friendly rotary toolkit that doesn't skimp on quality, the WN2305 is the way to go. For a reliable and affordable rotary toolkit that won't let you down, check out the WN2305 today. Number 4. Dremel Lite 7760N10. If you want a versatile rotary tool for household tasks, the Dremel Lite 7760N10 is your best bet. With its easy-to-use design, this tool is perfect for crafters, hobbyists, and handy persons alike. The versatile attachments included make it a great value for the price. The Dremel Lite works with most Dremel attachments and accessories, providing you with endless possibilities for your projects. The 4 variable speeds allow you to tailor the tool to your specific needs, while the twist nose cap makes changing attachments a breeze. The battery life indicator ensures you never run out of power unexpectedly. One of the best features of the Dremel Lite is the included attachments, such as the engraving cutter and sanding band. These attachments make it easy to switch between tasks without needing to purchase additional tools. The USB charging cord allows you to charge the device wherever you are, making it convenient for on-the-go projects. As for drawbacks, the small size of the Dremel Lite may be challenging for users with larger hands. However, this compact design also makes it easy to store and transport the tool wherever you need it. In conclusion, the Dremel Lite 7760N10 is the best rotary tool for household tasks, offering versatility, ease of use, and a variety of attachments at an affordable price. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile tool for your projects, give the Dremel Lite a try. Still searching for the perfect rotary tool? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Hardell Mini Rotary Tool Kit. The best lightweight rotary tool on the market. This cordless tool weighs only 5 ounces and is perfect for smaller projects like engraving, sharpening, and drilling. With a 3.7-volt lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 200 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to get the job done. Plus, the USB charging capability makes it convenient to power up wherever you are. What you'll love the most about the Hardell rotary tool is the 5 speeds ranging from 5,000 to 15,000 revolutions per minute, allowing for precise control no matter the task at hand. The 55 accessories included, along with 7 different collet sizes, make it versatile for various projects. The built-in LED light is a game changer, reducing shadows and improving visibility while you work. and the compact size and plastic storage case make it easy to transport and keep organized. While the Hardell rotary tool excels in smaller tasks, it may not be suitable for heavy-duty projects. However, this limitation is a minor inconvenience when you consider the portability and efficiency of the tool. Compared to similar models that require a cord, the cordless design of the Hardell rotary tool sets it apart, offering unmatched convenience and ease of use. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a lightweight rotary tool that delivers exceptional performance for smaller projects, look no further than the Hardell Mini Rotary Tool Kit. Check it out for yourself and experience the convenience and precision it has to offer. Number 2. Milwaukee M12. The Milwaukee M12 cordless rotary tool is a game changer for those who value portability and power in their tools. This lightweight and compact tool may not be the flashiest option on the market, but it gets the job done without any fuss. The Milwaukee M12's red lithium battery packs a punch, providing enough power to sand, grind, and cut with ease. With variable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute, you have unparalleled control over your projects. Its compatibility with a wide range of accessories makes it versatile and practical for any task. At just 1.3 pounds and under 10 inches long, the Milwaukee M12 is a breeze to maneuver and carry around. Its exhaust ports are a thoughtful design feature that prevents overheating during prolonged use. While some may find the lack of a cord limiting, the freedom it offers is truly liberating. What stands out most about the Milwaukee M12 is its exceptional balance of power and portability. However, some users may find the cordless aspect a bit restrictive. Overall, if you're in the market for the best cordless rotary tool, the Milwaukee M12 is definitely worth your consideration. Check it out for yourself and experience the freedom it provides. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Dremel 3000. The Dremel 3000 rotary tool is a versatile and powerful tool that allows you to tackle a wide range of projects with ease. The variable speed feature, which ranges from 5,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute, gives you the flexibility to adjust based on the task at hand. This means you can switch easily between grinding, sanding, and cutting without missing a beat. The cool running ball bearings in the Dremel 3000 ensure smooth and quiet operation, making it a pleasure to work with. The easy twist nose cap makes switching between attachments a breeze, saving you time and effort. The 25 included attachments give you plenty of options for different tasks, from polishing to beveling. One of the standout features of the Dremel 3000 is the flex shaft attachment, which adds a new level of precision to your work. This is perfect for intricate carving and small crafts, allowing you to achieve professional results every time. The compatibility with all Dremel attachments means you can expand your collection as needed, without being limited by the tool itself. What sets the Dremel 3000 apart from similar models is its durability and reliability. This tool is built to last, so you can trust it to get the job done time and time again. The only downside is that it does not come with drill bits, but most Dremel drill bits are compatible with the 3000, so this is not a deal breaker. In conclusion, the Dremel 3000 rotary tool is a top pick for anyone looking for a versatile and high-quality tool that can handle a wide range of projects. Check it out for yourself and see why it's the best rotary tool on the market. That's a wrap! We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best rotary tools. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which rotary tool you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.